Do stretch marks ever really go away? Happy Friday, everyone. Barbara Williford here from East Texas. If you are joining me, please let me know in the comments below by giving me a hello. If you are watching the replay, type replay. You know, women gain and lose weight several times in their lives. It could be hormonal changes, depression, breakups, holiday feast, or just a stressful work week can really pack on the pounds. And then there's pregnancies. Most expected moms consider this to be the most magical moment of their lives, but they can't deny that they are worried about gaining weight. And this extra weight can take a toll on your skin. The once perfect complexion is now marred with these white lines that somehow make you feel self-conscious. And while you want to maintain your good looks, our age and our experience will somehow take over. And the tissue underneath your skin will weaken over time. And then the wear and the tear will leave its permanent mark. And this is considered to be a sign of skin damage. There are a wide variety of treatments, but none of them are particularly valuable in actually preventing or treating this condition. It is generally agreed that there is no good medical evidence that any cream or ointment can make these stretch marks actually disappear. They can help with the appearance, but making them completely disappear, they haven't found that out yet. So the big question, how can stretch marks be prevented? Well, aside from maintaining a normal weight, there is very little that you can do to prevent stretch marks from developing. They will fade over time. If you don't want to wait, there are some treatments that can improve the appearance of your stretch marks. There are products and there are procedures. You can go to the dermatologist and you can get laser and microdermabrasion and Retin-A, and they do promise to improve, but they're not going to disappear. Moisturizing your skin can relieve the itchiness that you experience with these stretch marks. You can also apply self-tanning lotion to your stretch marks. That's going to be a temporary way to minimize the discoloration and kind of blend it in with the skin around you. Derma rolling is a method that you can use to help minimize the appearance of stretch marks. Also, derma rolling is often referred to as collagen induction therapy. It's a cosmetic procedure where you can have thousands of little needles inserted into the surface of your skin, either with a roller or with a stamping device. And what it's going to do, it's going to create all these microscopic holes in your skin, little wounds, and your body's going to go and send collagen and elastin there to heal that. And if you don't know, collagen is the most abundant protein that's found in the human body. It's going to be found in all your connective tissues like your skin and your muscle and your tendon and your bones. If you need a suggestion for a derma roller, let me know. You do need to be careful when you're getting a derma roller. If you don't go to a dermatologist, you need to make sure you get the right size, you follow the directions, and you roll correctly so you don't further damage skin. Vitamin A is another way to diminish the appearance of stretch marks. It's often referred to as a retinoid, and retinoids will make the skin appear more smooth and youthful. There are several over-the-counter topical cosmetics creams that you can use. Simply use a topical extract of vitamin A, or you can take vitamin A orally, and that's going to contribute to the health of your skin. You can eat vitamin A rich foods like carrots and sweet potatoes. That'll also increase your vitamin A levels. If you need a suggestion for an over-the-counter retinoid product that is as close to prescription vitamin A as you can get without a prescription, drop a thumbs up in the comments below and I can send you a recommendation. Another one is sugar. Some people swear by sugar as a microderm abrasion method. Like I mentioned earlier, you can go to the dermatologist and have that microderm abrasion done by the dermatologist. Again, it's very few clinically proven methods for stretch marks. If you need a recipe for a sugar scrub, give me a 1 in the comments below and I can send a link to this recipe. I can also recommend a salt sugar microderm abrasion paste that is packed with vitamin C and vitamin E. That'll help polish the skin. I can even tell you how to get that product for free this weekend. Another one is aloe vera. Even though there's not any clinical evidence that exists that says that aloe vera is a stretch mark cure, it does make sense. Pure aloe vera is both a healing agent and a skin softener. So it would be the ideal home remedy for stretch marks. Apply pure aloe vera directly from the plant on your stretch marks daily after you take your shower. Another one is hyaluronic acid. The collagen is a protein in your skin and that's going to allow it to keep its shape and appear healthy. But as we age, that collagen decreases in our face and in our bodies actually around the age 30. But collagen production can be stimulated by hyaluronic acid. And hyaluronic acid can be absorbed in the skin by using a consumer product, a topical cream or capsule or extract. I do have several products that do contain hyaluronic acid if you need some help. Since stretch marks are scarring from skin damage, coconut oil might help heal the appearance quickly. Coconut oil has been studied to have healing properties and found to help reduce skin wounds to heal over time. Apply virgin coconut oil to your stretch marks each day can take some of that redness away. Now there are a couple of precautions you need to be careful. If you are currently pregnant or breastfeeding, please make sure that you check with your doctor if you use any of these products. If you use a topical product, it can be absorbed by the skin and it can get into your body and harm your child. Please make sure when you get out in the sun that you apply sunscreen to all of your body, but especially the stretch marks, because the sun can cause discoloration and it's going to be harder for it to diminish later on. So I hope that you found value from this video, especially all my pregnant mamas out there. While stretch marks may be unavoidable at times, there are ways to diminish the appearance, and that should bring you hope. I can help you with most of these suggestions that I mentioned, and like I said, I have a way for you to get the microderm abrasion paste for free this weekend. If you know someone that can benefit from this video, tag them in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching, and you have an amazing weekend.